Survivor group na po.
Liban na tama.
Yung po mga batchmates po namin na hindi pa po napapalitan. Which probably need to check with them na yung account namin sa Facebook.
Ayun na.
Survivor's account.
Batch 90.
Yeah, batch 90. You will see
Wala na.
Survivor. Isang account or it's not sanctioned by the batch. So yung pong yung logo namin black and white. So yun po yung
The cover ng
yung po yung official batch 1992.
O yung Survivor, ba yan?
Survivors. Yeah, Survivors. Yes, sir.
Nandun yan sa cover ng yearbook.
Okay.
The Survivors 92 ang pangalan.
Gulay pang ask for yung ano yun.
Yes, sir.
Related talaga siya sa...
Talagang,
Actually, yung panahon natin uso black and white pa rin.
Actually, sir, nagkaroon lang siguro ng coincidence because our uniform were gray and white.
Yeah, isa pa yun.
Gray and white.
colorful na, checkered na tayong uniform yun.
Checkered yan.
Pero ang ganda ng uniform yun, parang may, di ba?
Black
and white sa gabi.
Yes, sir, the college.
Oh, college. Kaya napapapasan ako sa uniform
Yung
yun.
mga about ganina.
So, sino mga key persons nyo? Alam ko, pag meron ganito, 1,500, pero mangilan-gilan lang ang magtatrabaho yan.
Yes, sir.
Some people really have to sacrifice to make this successful.
Actually, sir, our especially because we're still in the process of election. It is headed by Attorney Bonifacio Tarino.
Okay. Oh.
Yes, from Clark Department as well. Legal,
Right.
Also the Executive Vice President,
Oh.
yeah. So siya po yung chairman eh. Then,
Batch 92 ba yun?
Batch 92.
Alam ko, 70.
Po, si na Miss Rosella yan.
Actually, sir, parang share with our batchmates. For now, we have elected the Philippine Union, sir, is everybody wanted to help. So marami po nag-extend ng tulong out of their own free time. Institutions, and of course, yung po mga basically mga nag-spearhead po nito,
mawala yan. Mawala yung discussion.
But for more info, the tickets and other preparations
materials.
also malaman natin.
Yes,
That's a good question, sir.
Wala mo para...
Ay, sabihan na lang yung ticket.
it would only cost them 500 pesos.
Uy, nabi niya.
Obviously, ang food.
Okay.
They will also
Dapat dono mo
have
eh.
the souvenir shirts na
Dona Basilio.
Ano tayo nagkakita ni Dona ito?
Also have a
Ano yung plan eh?
CD or...
CD and
Like that.
yung sa CD ang
Those are
nakalagay doon
compilation of our
yung mga songs na nauso nung panahon natin.
yung mga panahon namin.
Okay.
Because we are reminiscing the
Oo nga, reminiscing nga itong ano nyo no?
Yes, sir.
Maraming mga romantic mga ganapan ng batch 90.
Marami, sir.
Siyempre, pag depressed ka, naghahanap ka naman.
That's why there's a area there. They call it Love Terminal. I don't know.
Di ba nagluto na yan?
Madalas ka ba doon, Glenn?
Love terminal, which turned out to be study terminal na. Doon gumagawa ng assignments. Pero it's called Love Terminal. It used to be an area in Holy Angel, sir. Nung hindi pa po
Yung mga...
na-renovate ang school. It was, I don't know, bakit
Others
Love
but...
Terminal.
Higher but...
Kasi marami sila nag-date
Marami
doon.
din dito.
Pero yung time kasi natin, sir, masyado kami
Akala ko doon ka sa bench.
Makikita mo yung transformation ng Holy Angels.
Yes, sir.
Talagang-
Actually, sir, natutuwa po kami pag nakikita natin.
You're proud because that's your school, right?
Yes,
sir.
Hindi ka naman...
Kaya lang nakakamiss din siyempre yung mga kamukha ng ating Freedom Mall na
Yes.
Oo.
sa Wally Building. Yung mga
There are
dumadaan, tinuturo ko. Alas na yan. I can just feel the...
Oo, yeah. Tsaka making sure yan. Sinabi na naman, making
Yung
sure
mga
yan.
sponsors yun, daming sponsors, bilib na ako sa inyo, ha? Kala ko, grand reunion ng buong Asia. That's 92.
Actually, these are just some of the sponsors
Makikita
po.
sa TV yan, makikita natin sa TV.
We do have the 7-Eleven, yung located at SM City Clark,
Okay.
sa may terminal. Also, the Diadas Cafe at Vertafil Compound sa ating Clark, located at Clark. Aling Maring still in restaurants with branches at SM Clark, Jumbo General, Nepo Mall, first and third floor. At yung kanilang restaurant yung sa food court, and that's, we also like to thank Miss Lynetta Mayo.
Kinanalaran ito, mayam ako.
Tiger's Grill, bago ba
Okay,
yun?
Ito lang.
Most probably, sir.
Sakit sila ako.
Discount.
Halika
Discount.
sa malikuanan eh. Bakit na yung baby?
O ano ba yung mga, sige, salamat.
GNC Baby Shop, located in Santa Rosario, Angeles City, that's near Holy Angel, yung sa may 7-Eleven. Yung ating St. Paul International School na dito rin nakalocate sa Clark.
St. Paul
Hotel Vida, of course. Ang ating Fontana Development Corporation. Kiddy Cars. The Salad Master, yung ating LTS Salon and Spa. We also have the Dean Samantha Internet Cafe. At ang Bishop Courtyard. So, kung maraming gusto magpasyal sa courtyard, so, doon kayo magpunta sa Bishop. Yung mabisyo, doon tumutuloy. Okay, yan. Ang ating Royal International Business Club, DNG Salon, or Riviera Panda, that's Coca-Cola, Lewis Grand Hotel.
So, nagkakaroon network.
Some of our batchmates are
Ipon niya pala ba
companies
Yes.
po
Either
na
they own it or they're part of
Yes,
it.
sir.
Ipon niya pala ni Rosette?
Ang Jollibee and McDonald's.
Puro kwentuhan lang tayo. May programa kayo.
Madaming in-store kami dito sa ating program. We also have yung raffle.
Of course, there are a lot of prizes in store for our batchmates. On top of the typical raffle po natin, there will also be games and prizes for our batchmates. At the same time, meron din po tayong special numbers from our batchmates. And we have invited officially Furry Pops, ang official guest band po natin for the night. And then, of course, for our prizes, Sir Sunny, actually, ito pa na pong, kumbaga parang na-finalize namin. We'll be giving away special gift certificates from Tiger's Grill of Bagong Bayan, Angeles City. We'll be giving away SM gift certificates, Marius Appliance items, gifts from the Marius Art Gallery, Marking Mall, other gift certificates from, I think, Fontana, and some sponsorships from McDonald's. And of course, we will also be giving away 10 spa gift certificates sponsored by New Wellbeing Spa. We're going to give Mr. Sean Young for that. And of course, our grand prize for the night is an overnight stay for two at Hotel Vita, courtesy of Cesar Sanchez Direct.
So maraming salamat. Nag-overtime na naman pala tayo.
What is
Inaano na, iniikot na yung mga daliri nila eh. For reminiscing or telling us a good story. It was a very nice story. It was something that I can relate to.
End of the world.
Hindi mag-review na rin tayo. Batch 95 yata.
Anyway, you'll take this time.
Kay Animal Kingdom.
Invite more to be joining.
Holy Mary.
So, ini-invite ko lahat ng batchmates na umattend or mag-join for our Reminisce in the Past. That will be on December 4, 2010 sa Ribay Function Hall. Registration will start at 5 p.m.
Yeah.
And also,
Before the actual event, there will be a motorcade.
And also, alam master ka ba?
Sana sir, Rosario, March. Like 8
Kapila na lagong meeting
in
natin
the
sa
morning.
Mas tayo
Because there will be
motorcade.
a mass. Okay. So, I will give my number, yes, sir.
I-meet mo yung saglit.
Ang number ko po is
Meet mo na.
0919.
The activity will be on December 4. We will start with the motor team. Meeting time will be at 8 a.m. at Santa Rosario Holy Rosary Parish Church. We will start it with our official mass at 9 a.m. Official motor team schedule is at 10 a.m. Iikot po tayo. There will be a specific route po na inayos po ni Mr. Dian Santos. And the official schedule po ng ating reunion will be at 5 o'clock p.m. That's when the gates will open na po at Ribeye Function Hall. And the program will start at 6 o'clock. So for tickets po, yung po mga nabanggit po namin, Ms. Chi, you may contact the following people.
Okay, you may contact Michelle Zamora at number 0922-823-1585 or Ms. Donna Basilio 0922-664-0076 and that's 0922-694-0076. And yours truly, 0916-617-0045 at si Ms. Rosel. You can also contact her at her number 0916-293-5935.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much,
Si
sir.
Sherlyn, si Lucero. Punta kayo. Sayang naman eh. Pag-usapan natin yung school time, tsaka hindi doon.
Wala, pinano na lang yan ang
Maganda nang nangyari.
Apat
Kaya
na.
ginagawa na po natin. Alam nyo, it's a good time to be with one another again. Especially that there's such a lofty objective here. Tumulong mo sa ating mga kasama, sa mga kapatid ng ating medyo swerte, sa kanilang mga anak. Hindi lang po puro fun. Meron din responsibility towards the community. Pero yan, charity begins with the passionate. So, see you there, no? Sa Holy Angel. December 4,
di
Ribeye Function Hall.
Ribeye. Doon naman nakakain.
Yes, sir. Ribeye Function Hall.
Sa mga nanonood sila, mga kaibigan, you're invited. You're invited.
Sir, sorry for the accommodation.
Okay. Always naman kasi lalo na yan, maganda ng kwento. Ang dami mo nang na-interview mo mga nagre-reunion. Ito, maganda talaga.
Kaya para din sinabi.
Luzon at saka Vulcan. Thank you. Have a nice day. Dinkon, once again. Programa.
Ay, bayaran mo na. Bayaran mo na. Nag-emi talaga yung kunin.